Hello children. In today's session, we will complete the grammar in worksheet 10 from the grammar book. Little Mouse Gets Lost. So, all of you open page 64 in the workbook. Children, here we have a paragraph. Okay? By using the prepositions in, on and at, complete this paragraph. Okay? Already we have learned in the previous class the usage of in, on and at. Once I will revise and you listen carefully. See children, here we have a table. How to usage of in, on, at. See first one, in. In the morning. In the afternoon. In the evening. Whereas morning, afternoon, in these words before we use in preposition only. Understood? Next one. Months names. January, April, whatever months names we use before in preposition only. In January, in April. Next one. On preposition. See children, weekdays, Monday, Wednesday, Sunday. Those words before we use on preposition. On Sunday, on Wednesday, on Monday, on Friday, on Saturday, on Thursday. Like that. Okay? Here observe children carefully. On 24th January 2015. Month's name before we use just in preposition only. Whereas with the date month before we use on preposition. 24th January. Only January means we use in preposition only. Understood? Whereas date, particular date, 24th January. That words before we use on preposition. On April 15th. Okay? At preposition. At 8:30 a.m. Particular time children observe. Particular time before we use at preposition only. At 12 o'clock. At 6 p.m. Okay? And time. At noon or midday. At midnight or at night. We use particular time before at or particular place before at school, at hospital, at temple, like that. Okay? See children, coming back to page 64 in the workbook. Here see a paragraph. By using the prepositions in, on, at, you complete this paragraph. Let's begin. I am Sarah and I was born on 20th September. 20th September date also is there here. That's why we use on preposition only. 2011. I live in New Delhi. Place children, place before wherever. New Delhi or Guntur or Gujarat or Hyderabad. Any place before we use in. Okay? I went to Mumbai with my parents in May. Here any date not there. That's why we use in preposition. Whereas date with month we use on preposition. Understood? On the first day, we spent a lot of time on Juhu beach. Place children, place before we use on preposition. Okay? The next day, we went to the Elephanta caves. We travelled by car and then on a ferry. Okay? Here on we use preposition. We reached Elephanta caves at 1 o'clock. Observe children here. Particular time before 1 o'clock. We use at preposition. Okay? In the afternoon. We had lunch at a small hotel there. We returned to Mumbai dash the evening, particular time, the evening, the morning, the afternoon. Which preposition we can use? In. Very good. The next day we left for Goa, dash 10 o'clock. Particular time, children. Particular time before which preposition we can use? At. Okay. In the morning. My holiday was wonderful. Understood? Moving on to next one. Here see children, jumbled letters. That means here we will be given the wrong spellings of the word. And you have to frame the word in the correct spelling. Understood? All the words start with RE only. Solve the jumble to find the words. Here see, first one. RETELL, retell. Children, remember all the words begin with RE only. Understood? Next one. REPLAY, replay. REPLACE, replace. REFILL, refill. Okay? These are the correct words, correct spelling words. Okay? Re means children again. Already we have learned in the textbook grammar. So, remaining 5 and 6 try on your own. Remember children, these words also start with RE letters only. Okay? Moving on to next page children. Use the correct words from exercise A to complete these sentences. Use before page words, RE words and complete these blanks. Okay? Let's begin. Can you please refill my glass with water? So which word we can use here children? Refill. Okay? Next one. Rohan, replay the video. Everyone wants to watch it again, said mother. Replay. Again play. Okay? You have to rename the file before you save it, said Mr. Kumar, our computer teacher. Rename. Again keep the name for the file. Okay? So, fourth one, fifth one try on your own children by using before page RE words. RE words. Okay? Moving on to next one. See here, spelling session. These are some words split in two. Join the two parts with a line. Use different colors for the lines. The first one has been done for you. For our help, already first one, they are done. MON, what are the remaining part of this word children? KEY, yes. Monkey. Next word. GARDEN, garden. BECAME, became. FLOWER, flower. WINDOW, window. Children, use different colors for the lines. Okay? Moving on to next page children. In the writing session, look at these pictures and complete the story on the next page. Children, here, what is in the first picture? The fox, sun, tree, plants. Which tree that one? Grapes tree. Okay? See next one. A fox thinking about that grapes. In the next picture, the fox was tried for the grapes. In the last picture, she did not catch the grapes. So these are the pictures children. Use these pictures and observe these pictures. Make a story by using these hints. Okay? Fox sees grapes, wants to eat, jumps too high, cannot get grapes, sad, gives up. Let's begin the story. One day, Fox is walking down a field. When he sees grapes on a tree, he wants to eat the grapes. He looks at the grapes and thinks of the sweet, juicy grapes. Then he jumps up to try to reach the grapes. But the grapes are too high on the tree. He cannot get the grapes. Fox feels sad and gives up and goes away feeling sad. Finally, the fox was very disappointed, children. Why? Because he did not get the grapes. Okay? So, that's all for today's work. Read and write these grammar points in worksheet 10. Thank you.